Folly Forge. Woo! I'll show you what we're on with today. And we've got some 25x10 bar, flat bar plain stuff, cut 2 metres long. That's what we're going to do, making a load of these pressed arches for the top of gates and that. And what we do, while we're in here, we've got some guide rollers there. We're forward these. Make sure everything stays well and truly together. Just fits in there like that. They come out pretty much like them for your gate arches. All them are exactly the same. A little bit kinky down, but we'll straighten them out later. Also, I've got some 12x6 fishtail lens, making some sea scrolls for an order going out today. And these are pretty much just like that. Here like this. So I reckon them to go out today. Bit of sea scrolls, loads of them. Good for your gates and railings. Bit of twist going on 20mm. For a gate that Tom's doing, so he's marked out there where he wants to twist. He only wants a little one, so they go in there, up to that line, pull that clasp down, push that in, let's start. There you go. And what he's doing there, he's going to get these like that, put a load of these on, something like that, and then for your railing panels or whatever, you know, Bob Swift. Also, I've got this job here that's customers sort of like a bit of a crazy design. Just wants it out like 20mm, 16mm, 12mm, drawn it all out on the floor, send it off to them, I hope they like it, but just doing some hand bending scrolls. So what we've got here is 20mm forge, piping on, gas mark 6 as always. What we're going to do is just waz these in here. So big stuff, 20mm round, flatten that end, turn it around again and then keep going round and getting it down to a point. We saw these like a couple of weeks ago, but we were just doing some 16s, but these are big boys. We've already done some 16s and we've linished them off on grinding belt, and they come out like this. So what we'll do is smooth them out a bit more. We've got some 12mm here already ground down to a point. So what we'll do with these, we're just going to start them off. Bit of a scroll there like that. That there, start pulling that round slightly away. Every one of them, bit like that. Got some more in here. Basically, around that. Some fair heat in this bit here. I'm just going to bend that round so that they look like that. And when we've done these, I'll show you here a bit. Go back to 16mm there. What we do, get it fit on our bender. Just give it a little bit more and we can shape them however I've drawn it out on the floor like that. So whatever you want, you get sell down here at North Valley Forge, we can make it, you know, like you say, make it Bob Swifter. Also, happy anniversary to our Joe and Fiona. 8 years, who'd have thought? See you later.